welcome you all in this new video. This is Dr. Satish Kumar Singh, and in this new video you will see how a simple data can be shown in different way by using different charting options. First of all, let's see what the data is. Here you can see it is foreign direct investment and country-wise number of companies that invested in India in 2018 and 19. The data has been taken from RBI website, Reserve Bank of India, and that is compiled here. And this is very simple data, and there are various options to represent this data. And first way is there are two methods. First one, on my left you are seeing this is FDI, which is shown with a very normal and conventional bar chart is prepared, and on my right there is another way, that is what you can see FDI, which is shown with the help of a tree map. So let's see how we can prepare, what are the advantages of one over another. So let's see step by step procedure, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. It's very simple to prepare bar chart, all of you are aware. Just select the data and go to insert, and in insert here we have bar chart option. Just select the first one and here we go. So bar chart is available here. You can see here, if the name of the country is not clearly visible, then just stretch it either from the left or right and the name of the countries will appear. So now this is appearing, and what next we have to do? As we can see, it is not showing how many companies are there. For that, what we can do, here we have different options, you can explore them. Now the number of companies invested in India in 2018-19 is also visible. Another option that can be used, one more option. So here there are so many options that you can explore, and this, if we allow black theme, black background, and where you have to represent the data, and this is looking good. So after selecting it, what more things you can do? Here in design tab, and just go to chart element. First of all, here it will show the axis. We can write here, now it is removed, and if we add primary vertical, and this can be removed or this can be added, and here it is there. Next, what we can do, here you have axis title. If you want to apply the titles, just write here, it is country, so you can simply write country, and it is done. Go again there, and now on vertical axis, right, it is showing number of companies, and this is done. So now we have on x-axis countries, and here we have number of companies. What next we can do? We can go for adding chart title. Chart, go to design, and here you will find chart title, select it, and just simply paste here. Control V is the command that will be used, and you can delete it, and here we go. So this is the one way that we have shown. This way we can see, we can show the data, but why we should go for another way? This is simply showing all the results what are required to us. For example, we can know that Switzerland is the first country, then again we have to look for what is the second country, that is UAE, and then the number of companies from where the maximum FDI is attracted in India, that is USA, clearly visible. Next one is Singapore, then and so on. How tree map can be used to show this data in some different manner? This is very useful visualization technique which is used now often. In this case, again the procedure will remain same. After selecting the data, go to insert, and here is the tree map. It has already taken the entire data set according to the number of companies, according to the data from ascending to descending order. That is the beauty of this one. So after making it, next we will select and then right click, format data label, and then here it is showing value. By taking values, now it will show data as well, and it is showing us the values, the number of companies. So you can have different options. So you want to show you that can be done, and there are different options. If you want to show them with the help of space, new line, period, semicolon, or comma. So I am using with space. So I'm leaving it. And if you want to increase the size of the font, go here and just increase it. And now it is showing in better way. So the ideal size is that you can decide as per your requirement where you want to show this data. Select the chart and stretch it to your left or right or diagonally so that it is showing different value. So that it is appearing nicely. So now immediately we can make conclusion that the country with the highest number of companies who made investment in India, that is USA, with 1787 companies, and Switzerland with 186 companies. Next one is France. Then you have to read in this way, starting from right at the bottom to next at the top, then go left, and this way this is showing again from the down top, Singapore and USA. Again, you can do, if you have to apply the label to this chart, what you can do, go to design, add chart, and here chart title we can write here. Just select what you want to see, copy, and just paste here, and this is appearing. Then there are other options, similar options you can do. Here you have so many options, then you can select. It's up to you which option you want. One more thing that you can do, if you wish to change the color of any of the country, just simply select it twice and click, and here it will show the fill option. You can take the color of your choice. So that is selected for the entire base. And if you want to change the color of the font, simply select it, go to Home tab, and here you can select the one. This is okay. This way, this is looking nice. So these are the two different methods to show the same data. One is the conventional bar chart, and second, what we have made is tree map. So it's up to you the which way you want to show your data. I would like to know from you which method you like most. Write in the comment section. If you really like this video, then please give a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to this channel till now, please subscribe to my channel.